Hello student, today we will discuss vector product or cross product of two vectors. Result of the dot product or scalar product is a scalar quantity, but result of the vector product is always a vector quantity. To represent vector product, we used cross in between vectors, and that is why vector product is called cross product also. The vector product or cross product of two vectors A vector and B vector is another C vector whose magnitude is equal to the product of the magnitude of the two vectors and sine of the smaller angle between them. That is, A vector cross B vector is equal to C vector or is equal to magnitude of A vector magnitude of B vector sine theta n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of A vector and B vector and represent the direction of the vector product. Its direction is given by right hand thumb rule. According to figure, if we curl our finger around the line perpendicular to the plane of vector in such a way that fingers are curled in the direction from A vector to B vector, then the stretched thumb points in the direction of cross product or vector product. So thumb represent A vector cross B vector is equal to C vector. Is it clear? Next, properties of vector product. First, vector product of two vectors is not commutative or anti-commutative. That is, A vector cross B vector is equal to minus B vector cross A vector, or A vector cross B vector is not equal to B vector cross A vector. Second property, vector product of is distributive or addition. That is, A vector cross B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector cross B vector plus A vector cross C vector. Third, if we take cross product of vector with itself, then cross products become 0 because angle between the vectors is 0 in this case, and sine 0 degree is equal to 0. That is, A vector cross A vector is equal to A square sine 0 degree is equal to 0 vector. Here 0 vector is a null vector whose magnitude is 0 and direction is arbitrary. That is, vector product of two parallel vectors is 0. Fourth, the vector product of two vectors will be maximum when sin theta is equal to maximum is equal to 1. That is theta equal to 90 degree. It means A vector cross B vector is equal to AB sin 90 degree n cap, or we can write AB n cap. Here n cap is unit vector. Vector product of orthogonal unit vectors. The magnitude of each of the vectors I cap, j cap and k cap is 1, and the angle between any of the two of them is 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree angle. I cap, j cap and k cap. Multiply two unit vectors anti-clockwise, then we get positive value of the third unit vectors. That is I cap cross j cap. Here I cap cross j cap in this direction, so is equal to k cap, and j cap cross k cap, j cap cross k cap anti-clockwise direction is equal to I cap, and k cap cross I cap anti-clockwise direction is equal to j cap. According to clockwise, so multiply two unit vectors clockwise, then we get negative value of third vectors. It means when j cap cross I cap, j cap cross I cap clockwise direction is equal to minus k cap, and k cap cross j cap, k cap cross j cap is equal to minus I cap. And next I cap cross k cap, I cap cross k cap is equal to minus j cap. Clear? Next 6. Vector product in terms of rectangular components. Let A vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and B vector is equal to bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Then A vector cross B vector is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So A cross B vector is equal to first cross product of ax I cap with bx I cap plus bz by j cap plus bz k cap. So ax I cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Next, plus ay j cap cross product with bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So ay j cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Next, plus az k cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So az k cap cross bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. A cross b vector is equal to ax bx ax bx. So I cap cross I cap plus ax I cap cross by j cap. So ax by I cap cross j cap. Next, ax I cap cross bz k cap plus ax bz I cap cross k cap plus ay j cap cross bx I cap ay bx j cap cross I cap plus ay j cap cross by j cap ay by j cap cross j cap ay j cap cross bz k cap plus ay bz j cap cross k cap plus az k cap cross bx I cap az bx k cap cross I cap plus az k cap cross by j cap az by k cap cross j cap plus az k cap cross bz k cap az bz k cap cross k cap. और a vector cross b vector is equal to I cap cross I cap 0. So ax bx into 0 plus ax by I cap cross j cap k cap plus ax bz I cap cross k cap minus j cap plus ay bx j cap cross I cap minus k cap plus ay by j cross j 0 plus ay bz I cap cross k cap I cap plus az bx k cap cross I cap j cap plus az by k cap cross j cap minus I cap plus az bz k cap cross k cap 0. Clear? So a vector cross b vector is equal to ay bz minus az by I cap plus j cap az bx minus ax bz plus ax by minus ay bx to k cap. This expression can be written in the form of a determinant as a vector cross b vector is equal to I cap j cap k cap. It is a sign of determinant ax ay az bx by bz. Here I cap, here I cap ay bz means ay into bz minus az by az into by, next plus j cap. So in the j cap az into bx, so first multiply az into bx minus ax bz, ax into bz plus k cap. So here k cap ax into by, ax into by minus ay into bx, so ay into bx. Clear? Next property. 7. Angle theta between vectors a vector and b vector is given by sin theta is equal to magnitude a vector cross b vector upon magnitude of a vector magnitude of b vector. Next, physical example of vector product. First, torque The torque acting on a particle is equal to the vector product of its position vector r vector and force vector f vector. Thus, tau vector is equal to r vector cross f vector. Second, angular momentum represent with L vector. The angular momentum of a particle is equal to the cross product of its position vector r vector and linear momentum p vector. Thus, L vector is equal to r vector cross p vector. Next, third, instantaneous velocity v vector. The instantaneous velocity of a particle is equal to the cross product of its angular velocity omega vector and position vector r vector. Thus, v vector is equal to omega vector cross r vector. Next, fourth, centripetal acceleration AC vector of a particle is equal to the cross product of its angular velocity vector omega vector and its linear velocity vector v vector. That is, AC vector is equal to omega vector cross v vector. Example related to vector product. First example, find vector product of two vectors. A vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap and B vector is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. So vector product of A vector cross B vector is equal to, write in the determinant form. So here determinant sign. So first you write I cap, j cap and k cap. Then write here A vector. So write Ax. Here Ax is 4 and Ay is 3 and Az is 1. And next B vector. So in the B vector, Bx is 3, By is 2 and Bz is 4. So A vector cross B vector is equal to, first you write I cap. Here I cap. I cap, first you multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4 minus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Next, plus j cap. So first you multiply 1 into 3. 1 into 3 minus 4 into 4. 4 into 4 plus k cap. Here k cap. First you multiply 4 into 2. 4 into 2 minus 3 into 3. So A vector cross B vector is equal to I cap. 4 3s are 12 minus 1 into 2 2 plus j cap. 1 into 3 3 minus 4 4s are 16 plus k cap. 4 into 2 8 3 into 3 9, or A vector cross B vector is equal to 10 I cap minus 13 j cap minus k cap. Clear? Next, example 2. Prove that the vectors A vector is equal to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap minus k cap and B vector is equal to minus 6 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 3 k cap are parallel. So in the parallel, A vector cross B vector is equal to 0. So A vector cross B vector, first you write in the determinant form. So I cap, j cap, k cap. Here A vector, so write Ax. Ax is 2. Ay is minus 3. And Az is minus 1. Next, B vector. So here Bx is minus 6. By is 9. Bz is 3. So A vector cross B vector is equal to, first I cap minus 3 into 3. Then minus 1 into 9, minus 1 into 9, plus j cap, so minus 1 into minus 6, minus 1 into minus 6, minus 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Next, k cap. First you multiply 2 into 9, 2 into 9 minus 3 into minus 6, minus 3 into minus 6. So A vector cross B vector is equal to I cap minus 3 into 3 minus 9, minus minus plus 9 into 1 9 plus j cap minus 6 into minus 1 plus 6, 2 into 3 minus 6 plus k cap 2 into 9 18 minus 3 into minus 6 plus 18. So here minus, so minus 18. So A cross to B vector is equal to 0. Hence A vector parallel to B vector. Clear? Next, example 3rd. Calculate the sine of the angle between the vectors A vector 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap and B vector is equal to minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. So first you write in determinant form. A vector cross B vector is equal to I cap, j cap and k cap. Here first you write Ax. 3, AY minus 4, AZ 5. Next B, BX minus 2, BY 1 and BZ minus 2. So A vector cross B vector is equal to, first I cap, here I cap minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8 minus 5 into 1, 5 plus j cap 5 into minus 2, minus 10 and minus, okay, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, here plus minus minus plus 6 plus k cap 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 into minus 2 minus into 2 into minus 4 plus 8. So here minus 3 minus 8. A vector cross B vector is equal to 3 I cap plus minus 4 j cap minus 5 k cap. So magnitude of A vector cross B vector is equal to 3 square plus minus 4 square plus minus 5 square. So 9 plus 16 plus 25 is equal to 50. And magnitude of A vector, so ax square means 3 square plus ay square means minus 4 square plus az square means plus 5 square. So A vector magnitude under root 50. Here B vector magnitude bx square means minus 2 square plus by square 1 square plus bz square minus 2 square. So 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. Therefore sin theta is equal to magnitude of A vector cross B vector upon magnitude of A vector magnitude of B vector is equal to under root 50 upon under root 50 into 3. Under root 50 to under root 50 cancels, so 1 upon 3. It is final answer. Next, example 4. Linear momentum of a particle p vector is equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus 5 k cap kilogram meter per second is working on the position r vector is equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus 3 k cap meter. Calculate the magnitude of angular momentum. So we know that L vector is equal to R vector cross P vector. So write in determinant form L vector is equal to r vector cross p vector is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap. Here in the r vector ax2, ay1, az3. Next in p vector bx1, by minus 2 and bz5. So L vector is equal to first I cap 1 into 5 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus minus plus 6. Next j cap plus j cap 3 into 1 3 minus 2 into 5 10 plus k cap 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 1 1. So L vector is equal to 11 I cap minus 7 j cap minus 5 k cap. So magnitude of L vector is equal to L here ax square 11 square ay square minus 7 square plus az square minus 5 square. So 121 plus 49 plus 25. So under root 195 kilogram meter square per second.